Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Because of the problems I had last week, I'm asking people to donate to my emergency fund so I don't have my internet cut off in the future, my bank account overdrawn, or whatever. I had real problems last week. All right, one person tried to donate today, and they wrote the address down wrong, and they couldn't donate. It got sent back as not existing. My email is falkie, Falkie, 2013 at gmail.com. You can send gift cards, cat food, cat toys, and checks and money orders to George Senda, 815 Court Street, number 786, Martinez, California, 94553. I just got a gift in the mail, and I thank the person for that, and I really appreciate any gifts or donations people have given me in the past or recently. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now. Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. And this is coin roll hunting again. Now, from time to time in my apartment, I put stuff away, I put stuff down, it disappears, it rolls under something, and so last night I found 2 rolls of quarters. So we're going to go through these and see if there might be any silver in them. I don't know. This is coin roll hunting, and if I don't find any silver, it's laundry money time. All right, here's the first roll. Let's see if anything's in there. See if there's any silver coins. No, nothing there. No, nothing there. Still haven't found my wallet, and it's still pouring rain. Fluffy's been meowing to be let out. Nothing there. Nothing there. I once put $300 away, my rent money, when I lived in Sacramento and couldn't find it. Didn't find it for 5 months. All right, here's the bankroll. A somewhat tarnished. Can't tell what year that was. Busy Fluffy. Here's Fluffy. He's asking me let out. Not once got rain. All right, here's that quarter. Put that there. You never know. Guys buy huge boxes of these things. I can't afford. Oop, I just dropped a quarter somewhere. I don't know where it went to. All right, let's see what's in here. I can't buy $500 at quarters at a time. What the hell would I do with $500 at quarters? Nothing there. One of those looks like it's got a big chunk taken out of it. Or is that just a trick of the light? Okay, let's see. Oh, nothing there. I wonder what that one is. Boy, that's awfully dark. Look at that thing. I can't even see what year that is. We've been steeping that in old coffee or mud. Steeping that. Steeping, yeah, not steeping. It's been sitting in dirt or something. Alright, nothing. Nothing there. I don't really think I'm going to get anything out of laundry money if it's rolled up by the Fed or the bank or wherever they get these coins from. But, what the hell? Gives me something to do. And finally, let's see. When I have spare coins sometime, I'll get some quarter wrappers and go get like $50. But I have a gut feeling that someone who rolls these and takes them in the bank from the shop already looks for them for silver. Nothing there. I wish I could see what that coin was. Oh, right on the edge. Another one, thwarting me. A 1965. No silver in that. But boy, that's really tarnished. You can see the edge, sort of. They stopped doing silver and with most coins in '64. Some Eisenhowers have them, some JFKs, but that is not silver. All right, this is George Senda, another $20 down the drain here. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as Fluffy says the magic word. You say anything, Fluffy? Fluffy, you want to go out? Out? No, no out. No meowing for Fluffy, the camera shy cat. There he goes, racing down the hallway. All right. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be. I hope you stay dry and warm. And this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Stay safe out there, and may your coin roll hunting be profitable and full of silver. Bye-bye for now.